the room. Oh wow. Wow, what a beautiful bathroom. I'll show you that in a minute. But look at this for a bedroom. It smells so nice in here. It's nice, fresh. Not sure if it's a cleaning material. For now, but wow, look at this for a room. Where do I start? I start here because I see baked with love. Homemade cookies. An espresso machine, a kettle. Bits of different things for the Nespresso machine. We'll see if we work that out later. Tea and coffee. Some more snacks, some biltong nuts and drawers. What's in the cabinet? Oh, a fridge with some water in it. I think it's all complimentary. All of this is complimentary. And then storage drawer, so nothing in that. Moving on to the wardrobe. What have we got in here? Got a safe and well, slippers. And soft, fluffy gowns. Oh, that'll be nice. Oh, there's 2 of them in there. Can't close everything up. There we go. Bedside table, a pen and paper, all branded with the Weinberg on there. Huge bed and lots of pillows. I know pillows look pretty, but they just annoy me. Too many pillows on a bed, scatter pillows. Anyway, bed looks lovely. Let us... Oh, it's a nice firm bed, which I do like. I hate soft beds. It's a lovely bed. And it's a proper, well, it seems to be a proper bed rather than... it's 2 single bases with 1 double mattress put on top, which I do approve. Then there is this big balcony. I'll take you out there in a little while. Also, hidden in plain sight behind these beautiful mirrors here, see them, is the TV. Which has also got mirrors on it, so it sits right opposite the bed. Nice, big mirror in there. Big TV, comfy bed, balcony. We'll look at, which should we go for? Balcony or bathroom? Balcony or bathroom? Okay, let's do the bath. Let's do the balcony. See? Oh, self-locking doors, nice little touches. Table and chairs to sit at. Oh, the sun is hot. And I'll make myself an espresso, get my homemade cookies, sit here. Sun will set over there, so I might even get a sunset view. But it does look out over the courtyard area. The breakfast area is over there, and you can go and sit and chill in the courtyard. Nice comfy seats there, and water fountains. Very peaceful. You wouldn't believe you're in the middle of the capital city. Beautiful. Okay, let's go and have a look at the bathroom now. And what a bathroom. It is beautiful. Everything is, again, lovely, fresh smelling, spotlessly clean. And into the shower. It's got a rain head up there, and it has got a nice big shower head here. Hot and cold. I will be testing that later. Oh, and then there's a shampoo and shower gel there. It is nice and big. Once you've worked out how to operate the door, towels are all provided. Nice big sink as well with hot and cold water. And more shower gel and hand soap there. Then we also have provided face cloths, which is unusual. You don't get many hotels nowadays in Southern Africa that have face cloths. Glasses, shower cap. What's in here? More toilet paper. Oh, and then I found essential for me for drying my beard off in the morning. 1 hairdryer. And of course, a toilet.